Camden, New Jersey. These kids just stole a car right outside someone's home. Louisville, Kentucky. Another group of teens just broke into this house through a window. Let's see what happens next.
Oh, where are they yelling this shit, Chris? Stop yelling.
Newark, New Jersey. This guy decided to pee outside someone's home, but the homeowner caught him in the act. Let's see how this goes.
Justin, why are you peeing by my door?
Hey, sweetie, I swear to God, I apologize. I couldn't hold it.
All right, but you could have went anywhere else. You could have went by the bushes. That's nasty.
Hey, sweetie, I apologize. Please forgive me. I see you see me. I apologize. I swear I apologize. I'm drunk. I apologize.
No problem. But next time, just go by the bushes. That's all.
No. Next time, it won't be no next time, baby girl. I apologize.
Yeah, you could have picked a tree,
Baby,
anything.
that's not my character.
It's fine, no problem. It's okay, but
Baby
just
girl,
next time.
I'm just walking,
All right.
hitting me. It's like I apologize. I
No
swear.
problem.
You see my hands up in the air.
All right.
I'm just coming from somewhere, walking up.
All right, get home safe.
Apologize. Please forgive me.
No problem. Get home safe.
Thank you very much. I apologize from my heart, sweetie. I apologize. It's not me. Thank you.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Why are people reacting this way? Louisville, Kentucky.
Hey, put that down. Put it back. Put it back. This motherfucker just stole my box. This guy just stole my box.
Oh, are you serious?
Meanwhile, in Louisville, Kentucky, these teens are still inside the house, searching for valuables to steal.
Make sure she having some blue shirts in the same place myself.
They set the camera back up on y'all niggas, cuz. Who y'all basic?
Cause this don't work.
Allentown, Pennsylvania. Akron, Ohio. This doorbell camera captured a robbery straight out of a movie. These guys used tools to break into a truck and stole a bunch of items, including a DeWalt miter saw, a rigid table saw, a Champion generator, and more, all with serial numbers. They even considered stealing the whole trailer, but left behind their giant bolt cutters at the scene. Unfortunately, the items weren't properly insured. The police now have the footage. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Really appreciate it. If this wild Ring doorbell footage gave you a shock, subscribe for more crazy clips, and don't forget to hit like. Austin, Texas. This is exactly why you don't hide your key under the doormat. Thieves like this guy make it too easy to get inside. Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. This is why you always keep your door locked. Allentown, Pennsylvania. A homeless man is being attacked by a group of kids who should be in school. Maplewood, New Jersey. Newark, New Jersey. These teen girls just came home from school and spotted a package outside a house. One of them decided to steal it. Let's see what happens next.
Señores, la vaina negra que está pegada en la puerta es la cámara. ¿Por qué no importa? ¿Cómo lo ven? Ay, yo no.
Roselle, New Jersey. Keep your car locked. Newark, New Jersey. This creepy guy with a cute dog is peeping through the door glass. When the homeowner confronts him, he starts doing some silly things. Let's see how this plays out.
Hello? 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 Yo, man, guy with the dog. Hello? Hello? Yo!
Frisco, Texas. Check out this lady. Is she lost or searching for something like a key to enter the house? What do you think? Comment down below. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This porch pirate was so sneaky, stealing a pair of chairs without making a sound. But luck wasn't on his side. He made a loud noise and had to run away empty-handed. Irvington, New Jersey. What's she doing here at this late hour? Is she delivering mail or up to something else? Annandale, Virginia. This dude is late night banging on a door repeatedly. It's the wrong house, man. Just go away. Waco, Texas. This Pizza Hut delivery guy is sneaky. He just stole an Amazon package from the porch. Let's see what his deal is.
I'm out here. I got the pizza.
Louisville, Kentucky. This dude is trying to sneak into a house, but he's in for a surprise. Let's see what happens next. Louisville, Kentucky. Garland, Texas. This woman has been standing outside a home for a long time with no clear reason. We fast-forwarded the video so you can see what she's up to during this late hour. Newark, New Jersey. Check out this man.
Hi, Smurfle. Supreme.
Who is it?
Supreme. Looking for Smurf?
It's 10 o'clock in the night. Whoever you're looking for, you got the wrong house.
Okay, thank you.
After getting into his car, he's been parked outside this home for over 30 minutes. What are his intentions? New Albany, Indiana. Check out these cops. Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky. These guys are trying to figure out how to break down a door. They found some tools in their truck but didn't find anything worth taking. Now they're bringing the tools back with them. What's their plan? Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Newark, New Jersey. This guy is dancing in someone's front yard. So strange. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, this dude is still banging on the door.
Hey, man, hey. Mother. Are you serious? Hey.
Dallas, Texas, check her out.